What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up at our Orange County yard where we are expanding our highway garage building here. Over the weekend, Rodrigo was here with one guy and they went around and set all of the wire mesh. They had to take a trip and pick it up in the morning before they came up here, but they also dug a footing across right here where the two buildings, well, I shouldn't say two buildings, the two rooms are separate. There is a footing dug right here all the way across. There will be a wall right here. This section is going for the guys that do all of the road work, and then the rest of this is for us. So we had to dig a footing there to support that wall over there. Right now they're just going around and getting all of the wire mesh tied together, and then we have these chairs here that they'll go around and put all of the wire mesh in, basically just to hold the wire mesh up into the middle of the slab. One other thing they did is they formed on the outside here for the slab. The slab is coming all the way across the footing right up to these forms, so they shot it with a laser. It is the same height as the slab in our building there, and then they went around and nailed all the forms on. This should be a pretty simple pour. This is getting poured, I believe, Monday morning or maybe Tuesday morning. I'm not exactly positive. It's one of those 2 days. Today is Tuesday, so it's about a week from today when this is getting poured. I have our excavator over there warming up, and on the other side of the building here is our Ford dump truck. This curb right here is about to get ripped out. It does not look very nice here right now, and it is obviously kind of pointless. This is all brand new. This used to not be like this. It was all grass right here, and you would come in here and go around the building that way to get to the back, but this curb line ran all the way across. When they did this roadway here, they stopped right here and left this curb. So I'm going to pull our excavator around, clean a little behind the curb. I'll probably just take one bucket all the way down, and then I'm going to try and fold the curb into the back there. That way we don't crack any of the blacktop here. And then I'm going to pull our mason dump around, load all of this dirt right here into the mason dump. We'll dump it out in the back and then bring some gravel out here, and we're going to taper it from our little ramp into our garage here right up to the gravel driveway over there, and then get it rolled in. So let me hop in the excavator and hopefully we can pop this curb without breaking any of the blacktop. All right, guys, he has taken the old curb pieces to go dump them. We got them out without damaging the blacktop. Too bad. There was a little crack that started right here, and then a little piece right here that cracked, but that's no big deal.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're all buttoned up with this. Got the curb out, gravel in, compacted, and it looks much better now. We don't have a little piece of curb just sitting here. One thing we are going to do is buy more of the Mafia blocks and put a couple here and then line down this side of the building. Obviously, we have some weeds here we have to take care of as well, but we don't want to run into a situation where somebody accidentally hits the building. So we're going to block this side and the front corner here. That way that never happens. But over here on the slab, the guys went around and got all of the rebar complete, or the wire mesh complete, sitting up on these little like cone things. So this slab is ready to go. I think that is happening the beginning of next week. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.